solar?
He's called Magical Deals 254. That's his YouTube channel.
Oh.
He's Boniface by name.
Enda hapo nyuma utafuta mtu anaitwa Boniface.
Wasola. Amevaa blue. Amevaa
hapo na miwani.
Na dress ni koti imekaa ile.
Koti inaenda kukutana na hiyo ni koti nyekundu. Hapo nyuma hivi hapo na kitabu.
So we are on a construction of it's like an arm here. So construction of
he's called Magical Deals 254. That's his YouTube channel.
Oh.
He's Boniface by name.
Enda hapo nyuma utafuta mtu anaitwa Boniface.
Wasola. Amevaa blue. Amevaa
hapo na miwani.
Na dress ni koti imekaa ile.
Koti inaenda kukutana na hiyo ni koti nyekundu. Hapo nyuma hivi hapo na kitabu.
Yeah. So we have this one. Okay. Let's open it and see what we have here. So I told her to deliver to my address. Okay. Yeah. So
what's your number here?
This is my phone number. Okay. Yeah.
So you don't mind being on the internet?
No, I don't.
People call you. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. So and she did a very good job. Okay. You know, she was telling me I have 2 solar panels from Marwa, but carry one for today. Then I was wondering why should I carry one? Oh, this thing was very heavy. Oh, I did not know. It's very heavy. Let's open it and see.
Okay. We are boxing
yes, Magical Deals.
Yes.
How are you?
I just know you have a YouTube channel called Magical Deals.
Yes, it's Magical Deals 254.
Okay.
Yes.
Why Magical Deals?
Magical Deals because you see, from the sun, you get the energy. Okay. So you're actually magical.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's see what's going on here.
So
I want you to advise me as a professional, and we have our electrician right there. To tell me what we should do with this solar. Where do we do? Can it run some? Like for right now, as we wait for the big project.
So we have okay. That is this way. I think the panel is so guys, we are trying to unbox it. We are unboxing the solar panel. Let's see how things go.
Actually, a big solar panel.
Yeah, 70 watts.
70 watts.
This one is always fast.
Okay, 70 watts right there. Okay. How big can this solar run? Maybe lights and stuff.
So you know, this solar is mainly for this light.
Okay.
Because it supports the photo cell. Okay. So each light has its own solar, and the lights in this class can light with this solar. Okay. And for example, the light that is up there,
I saw that.
it can't be run by this solar.
Oh, why?
Because it has different classes. Like the sensor for the other light is not the same as that one. This one is RGB, that one is mod. Yes.
Okay, so we also have our lights here. I think this was the heaviest part of it. It's so many kilos.
Yeah.
So it's very heavy.
The light is
I don't know.
The light is 500 watts.
That's Thai language up in here, guys.
Yeah.
Thailand. There's also solar light. Yeah.
So let's open. Okay, so we have bado tu hapo. Oh, tunasimamisha. Okay. Oh,
this is the remote.
Yeah, that's remote.
Yes. These are the nuts. Okay. When you want to put it on the wall, you use this.
Do you actually know how to install solar?
Yes, I know how to install solar.
So you do this solar?
I even asked this guy
that
I'll do it myself. Okay. With the phone, I'll explain to him everything. Okay.
You know, he told me he wants to be given this one to do it for you specifically.
Guys, this guy here is very I know they had asked me, but this is very, very professional.
So let's keep unboxing it. Yes, let's unbox my brother. So this one,
very massive. It's 500 watts.
Wow, it's like I thought it was a radio. So we have this.
So this is the manual. Maybe Mara can see. This is the manual for everything. So if you are new to the lamp, how do you use it?
Okay. So here it is, 500 watts.
Yes.
So this one, this one will be just even on top of the
And
gate.
the light, I'm not the one who brought the light, but the one who brought the light brought the best light.
Wow.
Because it's an IP67.
IP67.
That's the protection cover for the light.
Okay.
So that means it will not allow
Water and
inside,
dust.
inside the light. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
And the lights look so many.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, what do we call them?
These
are given to these small
these
lights.
are LEDs.
Yes, LEDs.
Light emitting diodes.
Those things light up like no one's business. They can light up the whole compound.
You allow me to use this.
Yeah.
The battery.
LED means light emitting
It
diodes.
has a battery which is used for the remote.
So this one will light up now.
This one will light.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
put it down.
We just have to test before we install it. And I can install it
Give it
today.
to Pascal.
So your YouTube channel is Magical Deals.
Magical Deals plus 254.
Wow.
Yes.
Agnes, thank you so much. You brought us. I've never seen a big light like this. So heavy, bro. So much actually.
You can't carry it.
She says she'll add more.
Oh wow.
Yeah, if you don't mind. If you don't mind. If Mara doesn't mind.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay, so
I'll just go to your jacket. Thank you so much.
It's so good.
let's roll it.
Very heavy. Oh. So put it like that.
So you put it on, just press here.
Okay. Wow. So it's on.
As you can see.
So you're going to be carrying this one as you do your videos at night.
Wow.
You
It's
can.
so big. It's so big to be carried around. Can you put it at the gates there?
Yeah, I was thinking
Yeah.
we put at the gates there. Towards the
It
home.
must have Marwa well.
Yeah.
We have blackouts here.
Yeah.
Because of the trees here,
Yeah.
the other lights have gone much high.
Okay.
So we can use a black pipe and then construct a structure for a pole, solar pole.
Street lights.
Not a street light.
Come closer.
A
My
solar
phone will not
pole
pick the
that will
sound.
assist in holding this. So we'll put up a structure and then we put it
over
behind
there.
So it will serve this section.
Oh,
So when
can
we get
light the
another
whole
on the other side, the lights are in the middle here. It's already covered.
Wow.
Yes. Actually, maybe more just to the people. I was confirming with the people I talked to the other day that the solar system that you are talking about, it's mainly for the villa. And the street lights, I was asking people that they contribute street lights to Marwa, even on my channel, because the system that we are going to give out, it will only cover the house and the outside lights.
But your price is close to 10,000.
No. We are doing at, I've even discounted the street lights, quality street lights, at $35 and $40.
Okay.
Each.
Okay.
$35 and $40. But best quality, and then I was asking you, maybe if I can ask on the camera, that you allow those people who contribute. We don't write their names like donate, but we can name the lights after. For example, somebody like Irene Fortune, we just write on the pole Irene Fortune. Somebody is named after, the pole is named after somebody who contributes. Like for example, this is Esther.
Agnes.
Agnes. Oh, Agnes.
Yeah.
So we construct the light and then we write the name there as Agnes. Yeah, if you can allow.
Yeah, no, I think not if. I will allow that.
Okay, thank
So
you.
at least,
So
wow.
this is the thing.
So
Yeah,
why
this
should we
very
put
much.
this one here?
How do you
is saying.
Yeah.
If you permit me, either this corner, you know, like the other light was not put well. I even asked the engineer not to put the concrete. So we put it on the wall the other side, and then we will construct. We will use the black pipe, and then put the other side one,
On this other side.
this other. So when they meet, the light, there will be light everywhere.
Hey, did Agnes import this or import it in Kenya?
Me, I don't know. You know what Agnes did? Agnes told me that she'll connect me to her manager. So she connected me to her manager, and her manager told me that because she was also busy, he sent me somebody else to deliver this one. So it was delivered. I don't know where it came from. So me, I don't know about that. I'll talk to her today so that we see what happened.
Actually, this is not even the actual light.
Yeah.
This is not the actual light. So when it's charged,
Yeah, it will light all these.
yeah,
Because all these
you
ones-
cannot even look at it directly.
Oh.
Yeah, I know these lights. Yeah, we put it in a school, in Kisi school. You know it.
Yeah, that's why I started that.
Oh, yeah. I put some lights like
Wow.
This one is very, and it's very heavy.
yes.
All right, guys. Agnes, thank you so
Because
much.
this one is metallic.
Okay.
Please go check.
I'm Steve J1. I'm Marwa's internet guy. Please push me to 10,000 and I'll be very happy. And thank you for watching my videos always. Thank you, Marwa, for this opportunity.
What should you tell Agnes? You know, she trusted me with this.
I want to tell her and others that Steve is a trustworthy person.
Yes.
And somebody should not be worried sending me anything through me to any person. So because
So what's your number?
my phone number, my WhatsApp number is +254 758 389 382. It's the same number here. You can show them this number.
Today we are installing the solar floodlight that was brought to Marwa as a gift by Agnes from the US. So I'm heading straight to from Nyabohanze to Hispania town. I'm with my motorbike guy. So I'm on the highway, as you can see. So these are Kenyan roads, the highway. We're going to pick the metal bus to be used for construction, or maybe coming up with the solar pole. So guys, subscribe to my channel, click the notification button, watch my videos to the end, so that you can see the progress of all solar works that are going to be done at iammarwa's villa. So guys, the weather is very chilly here. A lot of rains. There's a lot of rains these sides, so it means the weather is too cold. But we thank God that through the rains we are going to have plenty of food. So that's better for everyone who actually is in need of food, and especially having had dry seasons. It's better to have such an environment. So guys, I welcome you again to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I beg you to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for almost 500 subscribers, and let me just say thank you for the 500 subscribers. I don't take it for granted. Kindly consider subscribing as you watch my videos. So as I've just said, today is a day where we are going to construct a solar pole. That solar pole will hold the solar will actually hold the solar floodlight, actually the solar flood lamp that was brought by Agnes. So we'll take you through the journey. I will be with the Steve J1, so that we record every bit of how the structure will be made. So you stay tuned on my channel so that you can see how solar poles are constructed, how the solar system is coming up, how we will back up the Wi-Fi, everything. So guys, being an active weekday, you can see there are so many people on the roads, unlike on a weekend. So please consider subscribing, as I said, to watch more of my videos. So I'm heading straight to the hardware. Hardware is the place where we buy the iron rods. So I'm going to buy a black pipe 1 inch and the angle lines. That is
also 1 inch. So subscribe to my channel, subscribe guys, please subscribe. So this guy will be taking me to the best hardware in town, the best hardware in town with a good price, so that we can buy the metal bars for structuring. So we're going to do some fabrication on them to come up with the structure, as I've just told you. After which we will paint it. After painting, we'll now go straight to installing it, and so it becomes a lamp. So it's actually very important. And so what we are doing is just to make sure that Marwa gets enough lighting. I want to thank those who have been following me and those who have heard my request. On the course of this week, I'll be unveiling gifts from clients from abroad and those ones who are from Kenya. So I'm taking you to Hispania. This is Hispania town, and we are heading straight to the hardware. Hatujafika ndugu yangu? Oh, sawa. So I'm just asking him if we haven't reached the destination. So he's saying it's just nearer here. So let's see if he'll take me to the best hardware in town, or just any other hardware. But I'm sure he'll give us he'll take me to the best hardware in town. And so let me be hopeful. So I just forgot something, but when we get back, I'll go and pick it. So so guys, we are at the hardware. So this is the hardware where I'm picking the metal rod. So it'll allow me to break a little bit so that I can see the owner of the hardware, so that I can be able to do the purchases for the metal rods, metal bars. Yeah, thank you guys. So guys, I'm with the electrician, so I'm heading back. So he requested the other guy who was moving me from the Sirare border to Marwa's place to drop me at Jambohanse town, so that we go together with him. So actually we are in the same line with him, and he even offered to assist me when we start installing the solar system, and I actually agreed. So I'll be forced to reduce the number of my technicians so that we also fit our guy here, because it's actually cheap. Yeah, because if I have to bring 4 or 3, I'll bring 2. If I have to bring 2, I'll bring 1, and then will help you do the installation. You know, you'll also get to know some few things that you might not have known. I know you are engineer. Umeshatumia GPRS hii ya kumonitor system ya solar? Yes. Oh, so unaijua kuinstall? Okay. So I was asking him what there's what we call GPRS. The GPRS uses internet Wi-Fi to be monitored to show if actually the system is in good condition, or if it's fully charged, or maybe if you want to monitor the power usage. It's very simple. You just use the GPRS wherever you are, all over the world, to monitor your system. So because Marwa is a traveler, he'll be able to monitor wherever he'll be, just using the GPRS. So most of the technicians from regions here, sometimes they fail to, it's an IT thing. So because it involves IT, That means he has to learn from others so that he can be able to configure it. So we're almost at Marwa's villa. We are with the Marwa's engineer here for electrical services. And, we are almost there. So we are passing here at Mama Aunt's and the Mama. We are here at Congrats Mom. So Mara's place is down there. The road, because of the heavy downpour yesterday, the rains have actually damaged the road. So, but we. So this guy is trying to. He's carrying the bags of cement there. Although because of the roads, he's really struggling. But actually the road is now better because with stones and the moram, it's actually better. So, ama nishuke. Okay. So guys, we are almost there. Inaangushwa hapo ni kama imeraruka. So guys, those guys who are passing cement to Marwa's villa. To Marwa's villa, they are struggling. Even me, I'm seated, but I'm the one driving. So I don't know how engineer is feeling here. Yes. So guys, we are almost there. You can hear sounds of the fabricator. We are at the gate. That is the gate. So almost there. So I have tight security here. Hello guys, I've now constructed a loop, as you can see. So this will be used to carry the floodlight, and then I'm also heading back to the fabricator so that we can actually be able to see what's going on. So he'll cut this. Chui anaweza kata penye tulikuwa tumemark 30. Yeah. So imeingia? Oh. So that is what is going to carry the solar. So this is the solar actually. And so that is the solar actually. And that will be the one to carry the solar. Yeah. So hapa ndo hujaacha allowance kidogo. Ama kuja nini? Hujachoma hapa? Allowance ya? As in kama hivi tu. So guys, I'm with my guy here. There are some of the lights which had been already installed, and so I'm with this guy. I want him to help me to extract this light. So we are going to remove that light, that small light up there, and then we'll use the pole for construction of the solar floodlights. How are you, sir? So that's our security guard down there, guarding. So we are removing this. So I want to just to let you know that we are removing this. And so with my guy here, we remove this light, return it to the store, and then use the pole to construct to have a solar system installed using the pole for useful work. So guys, that is the loop. We are constructing the loop that will hold this one holds itself on the solar pole, and the other one holds itself on the loop, so that that one will be carrying the light. Yeah. So my guy here is fabricating it. I've just finished with the construction because it's new time. So we are continuing with the construction of the loop, so that it makes a lot of sense when it comes to I'm sorry for those ones who are photophobic, but actually huko nyuma ulichomelea vizuri kweli. Nyuma ya kwanza, feel your place poa. Kukinyesha inaweza bandika. Hii ya pili hiyo iko sawa. Niliona ni kama ni kidogo. So guys, I was just telling him to make sure that he welds it very well, so that we don't have issues once it is installed. So that one is done. That's how it looks like. So guys, I'm installing this. I want to fabricate the lamp holder so that we can have this lamp done. So we are on a construction of it's like an arm here. So construction of a solar, the flat lamp. So this one we're holding the flat lamp, as you can see. So we're just waiting to finish up, and then we do the isha bend. Kame bend, tutanyorosha kidogo. Ungepata kidogo tu. Sorry. So guys, we are on the arm. That is the arm for the flat lamp. So the floodlights will be placed there, and we are finishing up the final touches for the arm, and then thereafter we will put a structure that will hold solar, and then we paint. After painting, we'll now come and enclose the solar, and so that's where we have that's where the technical area is. So my fabricator here has tried to understand the concepts, although it's not to the expected standards, but at least it's a good move. It's a good start, because I'm quite sure that nobody would have constructed this, because it has taken us time for him to understand. He's now understanding later that this is what we are constructing. Yeah. So we are moving on swiftly and well. We are finishing up, almost finishing up. Yeah, almost finishing up. So let's see what will come up. After the arm, we'll install this. We'll install that it's like a tray, but just it's already fabricated. So these things are done in steps. You construct this, you go to this, you go to this. Once we are done with this, we now put the arm for the flat lamp. That one that I've just removed from the lamp itself. And so thereafter, I'll now go back. So kama iko tu hivyo, weka hii. So we're putting that, and maybe
Weka hiyo kitu ndani.
Katikati sindio?
Sio katikati. Ni hapa. Unaona? Sasa inafaa ikae namna hii. Unaona? So sasa nataka ukate kidogo. Ukate somewhere so that ikuwe able kuingia. Inaingia lakini hii itaenda juu, itaenda mbele kidogo. Umenielewa? Sasa hii kuna penye utakata ina slope na huku inaingia. And then unachoma, unatafuta kachuma. Hizi ma D10. Unaekelea huko chini inashika kabisa.
Chini hivi across hivi.
Section 2 mbili hapa. Hapa na hapa. But first kata ka slope. Unajua haifai kuguza hata sola hata inchi moja.
Hii chuma.
Haifai. Unajua hizi zina heat. Guys, we are done with the painting. You can see how the lamp looks like. So this is the solar pole. So you're remaining with the finishing up of putting up there the solar. And then we just have to use a simple we use the pliers, which is here, to tie up the light. So, and we use the concrete, and then we put the inside the whole concrete, and that issue will be done. So that is it, guys. I think we are done. These guys have done a good job. So we are putting this light up there so that you can get some sunlight, and then thereafter we finish up with putting the solar there, which is the main job, and then we take it to the hall and then do the concrete. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. So I'll update you once we put the solar and then once we tie the light. Ebu ni pakia hapa rangi. Pakia hapa, nimeona hapo. Pakia hapo. Alafu hizi ends haziko sawa. Pakia hizi rangi. Pale chini. Haja mvua ikianza kunyesha, ikinyesha ndio itarasa. Good. So that one ni damu. Sawa. Sasa si tuchukue tuiweke mahali. Tuwapatie humble space hapa. Iko tu sawa? Hamtumii huko. Sawa. So my guy here is saying he's done. Maybe you can also give a shout out to your channel, my friend. You know, we were with him constructing this solar structure, and actually he's very vast at understanding his work. And so we are done with the construction. Now I also want him to give a shout out to his channel so that you can be able to subscribe and also support him on his channel. So let me move the camera back so that you can see him. So you can give a shout out.
I'm Fundi Duke. Yeah, my channel also goes by the name Fundi Duke. Go check me out. I'm the one doing welding at iammarwa's place.
Yes.
So
you can see the gate here. He's working on the gate.
I'm doing the doors.
Yeah, there are doors there. The doors are there.
The windows.
Yes. We have so many things here which are under construction, which are under welding. Yes.
And also today I made for
Boniface Magical Deal.
I made for Boniface Magical Deals the stand of the solar panel and the light. Yes. And we are done with it.
Yes.
So please, if you have any work like that, you can consider calling me. I come, I do it for you, because that's what I do for a living.
Yes.
Also support me on my YouTube channel, and more content you will be seeing at my channel.
Yes.
Click the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload the video concerning the work of welding. That's what I do. So
go support Fundi Duke by subscribing to his channel, making sure that he also gets monetized actually.
Actually, I'm in the road to 1,000
Okay.
subscribers, and then I fight for watching hours. So
Yes.
I have to put more effort on putting content on my channel so that I can get the watching hours. And please support me when you get a notification of my video. Please consider watching it to the end.
Yes.
Not skipping ads.
Yes.
I'll appreciate the
I
support.
didn't carry my, because it's just one light and it was brought yesterday. And you know, I'm good at instructing and making sure that what everybody does it perfectly. And if there is any error, I go by correcting it myself. So today we just did the solar outdoor system, and the solar outdoor system involves the floodlight and street lights. So we removed the street light that was brought by one of Marwa's supporters, and then we are now looking forward to put up another light on the same pole that we installed the light, just to make sure that it works best. So I appreciate you guys for supporting me. I appreciate you guys for making sure that we reach this far. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Continue supporting us, and as I also requesting you guys, it's not that I want the job, but if I take you around the compound, you'll not see lights there. Now we have 3 lights in the compound. So it's just that areas that I've worked, I've always made sure that we have the best, we deliver the best. So guys, I'm done with the solar. I've just finished up with the installation. And so as you can see, the solar is now well kept. All the safety has been enhanced on the solar. You know, in our countryside, people tend to use this opportunity on removing the solars actually, and so what we did is to make sure that we take the safety precaution. So that's how the solar has been put under my instruction. Yeah, so that is how the structure looks. Yeah, so we are going to do a concrete on it, and I'm sure it will look good. So that's our fundi who has helped me to finish up this work. So I thank him, because without him being here, I would have been forced to look for a machine. Yes. So guys, I think I'll show you how we are going to tie up, or maybe to make sure that the floodlight is now installed. And so maybe I just put the camera here so you can see. Have to put it like this. So I'll put up the solar like this, and I just have to so nichukue mzee. People are actually finishing up with the installation. This is to ensure that it charges, and so I'll show you when it's charging. So it's like a plug, just to ensure that it's charging. So guys, that is the installation now, already done. So that is the plug. That is just to indicate that it's charging. If you can see, it's to indicate that it's charging. So the light is charging. You can see the LEDs are working in red. So the light is almost full. So thank you guys, thank you for assisting me to have the light installed. I think I've taken you through the journey, and I'm just, I don't like that, so I'm forced to return everything. Yes, so this is how the light will look like, well installed, and that is the finishing line of the light. Yeah, so we did everything. We painted, and that is how it looks like. Very, 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 very beautiful. Yeah, so the light is actually looking very wonderful. So guys, you can support us through subscribing to my channel to see more of installation coming up. I just want to correct this so that it attaches itself to this loop here. So thank you guys for those who are watching my videos to the end. Continue supporting me by doing so. And actually I'm forced to look for something to help me finish up with the small corrections here and there. So thank you guys. I'll update you on what we are doing each and every minute at Marwa's villa. So for those who are not getting me or here, who haven't heard me, what I said, actually it's because we are using a generator to
do the construction, and so that makes it sometimes hard for people to hear us. So I'll be forced to take the light from here to the where it will be installed, so that it charges from there. You can see here there is no light, but in the front there is light. So I'll keep you updated. Today we have just done the light, and then on the course of the week maybe we can start over with the other things. Chukua tu, chukua. So that boy wanted to use the bucket, and so I asked him to take. So I'll look for somebody to assist me in carrying the light towards the fire, so that we can actually use it. We can actually put it in the sun to enable its charge. So thank you guys. Keep on subscribing to my channel, so that you can see more of solar works at iammarwa. For more updates, subscribe. Watch my videos to the end, so that you'll be actually, if you watch my videos to the end, you'll be actually be promoting my channel in one way or another. For those who want to contribute such lights to Marwa, guys, we are able to provide this. It goes at Kenya shillings 22,000. It's very big, as you can see. This one is very big. I'm told it's 30,000, but what I have is around 22. Yeah, it's around 22, but at discounting price of 18,000 Kenya shillings, that is around 50 pounds, or let's say $120 to get this light on my side, from my side, but I don't know. I was told that the lamp is $200, so we have just finished that. So Mara is just cross-checking of what is happening here. So guys, will allow me to stop from there.